Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is a Guess the Plant video. I've been working on this landscape project here in Raleigh, North Carolina for a couple of years. And if you've been following the channel, you'll probably know lots of the plants that are in the video. There's one right there. I think that's number 1. There's 15 different things in the video. You can just make your guesses down in the comments below. Just number them 1 through 15 and make your best guess. I have the list linked in the description of the video, so don't go down there. Don't go cheat. Watch the video and then make your guesses and then see how accurate you are. You do not have to guess the exact variety, and that will make more sense as you watch the video because there's only a few of them. I showed 4 different varieties to make up your guess. So if it was an azalea in the video and it's not, you would just guess azalea. You don't have to guess the exact cultivar. Again. Best of luck. Thank you for watching. I've got a couple more of these coming. I hope they're fun.